It's winter and all of our skin gets really dry. But people are asking me all the time, how come mine doesn't look dry? Well, I'm gonna give you my secrets. I love these particular products by Lancome. They're my favorites out of their entire line, and I'm sharing my secret with you. Here we go. Under Eye Serum, I love this one. It's the Advanced Light Pearl. It's perfect. It's just the right weight for under your eyes. On my whole face goes this Advanced, again, Genifique. It's the Youth Activating Concentrate. I'm not 25, but I think even if I was 25, I'd still use this serum anyway. And on top of these two serums, I put this wonderful daily face cream. It's the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action. So it kind of moisturizes and plumps and does all kinds of things for you. A great cream for an everyday on top of the serums. At the end of the day, got to take it off, all that eye makeup that we've put on. I love this eye makeup remover. It's their Facile. It's the dark blue one, not the light blue one. They have two. The light blue has oil in it. Don't love that so much. This is the one that's going to take off your eye makeup neatly, quickly, easily, and no oil residue. These few products by Lancome, they're going to help you keep your face dewy and beautiful for winter.